guys, welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about should you buy stocks now or should you wait until the stock market falls more? So we're going to be talking about this and I'm going to be giving you guys my honest opinion about this. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And guys, we do have a course that offers a whole bunch of fantastic lectures, a chat room, quizzes, and a whole bunch of fantastic stuff. So make sure you guys click that link down in the description so you guys can learn more about investing, trading, money management, all of that good stuff. So let's jump into the video. So starting off with, should you buy stocks now? And I think that's a very, very common thing that a lot of people like to think of is, okay, Carter, should I buy stocks now or should I wait for the stock market to fall down lower? Right now in the market, we have so much speculation, right? Some people think the stock market's going to be back up at highs, in the next 6 months. Some people think that we're looking at a 10-year recession. Now, answering that question, we'll just jump into it and I'll give you guys my honest opinion. Should you buy now? Absolutely. I definitely think if you have a long-term outlook on your investments, it's always smart to invest, right? Looking back at history, because history just tends to repeat itself. We'll go ahead and we'll look at it. So we have these crashes, right, where the stock markets have fallen, 30, 40% in value. Some right in here about 20%, others 10%, and whatever. Okay, so looking back at these, because history just tends to repeat itself. So during these times, very, very similar situations we were kind of going through. A lot of speculation in the market, a lot of people freaking out. Right now it's a little different because we do have high interest rates and high inflation, which does see tendencies in the past to see a longer recession, very similar to the 70s, where the 1970s was pretty much did not make any money in the stock market. It was just a lot of consolidation. But looking back at some of these other crashes here, if you'd have bought in 2007, right before the 2008 crash, guess what, guys? You're up on your investment. And if you'd have bought in 2019 or even in 2020 at the all-time highs up in here, right now you're still up handsomely on your investment. If you would have bought in 2020, right during the dot-com, right before the dot-com bubble, you're up on your money. If you would have bought in the 1970s, where we had very, very similar situations, guess what, guys? You're up on your money. So for me, I definitely think it comes down to a couple of things. It comes down to how long do you guys plan on investing? If you're somebody that's just looking for, this kind of get rich quick scheme and you don't really care about your long-term, well-being or wealth, I think right now it's going to be too high of a risk tolerance, to be honest, if you're trying to get rich quick. Because yeah, the stock market could continue to fall down, all the way, another 20%. But on the flip side, it could hit highs in the next 6 months. No one knows. No one has that crystal ball. Even all those analysts, even all of those experts, they don't know. And that's what a lot of people don't realize. You have to just be a long-term investor to do very, very well in the stock market, especially just investing in the S&P 500. Not to mention, historically, anytime the stock market has fallen, if you'd have invested during those hard times, you're up an extra 22% on your investment, which is so much money. 22%, the average the S&P 500 gets is 10%. So you're pretty much 2 years ahead of other investors if you invest during recessions. So for me right now, answering that question of should you buy, I think it's a no-brainer investment to start your investing. Not even look at it for the next 2 to 5 years. Don't even look at your investments. Just continue to invest in the S&P 500. It's the best investment. You're not going to be shaken out or worried about it because this represents the top 500 companies in the United States. Okay, another thing, all those experts, those analysts, they try to beat the S&P 500. And 98% of those people cannot beat the S&P 500. Of that 98%, right, that can't, 2% can. Of that 2%, one can't beat it that following year. So pretty much 1% of all hedge fund managers, analysts cannot or can beat the market. And these are the people that are like the Paul Tudor Jones, Ray Dalio, people you have to have millions of dollars to even talk to. But for the average guy, for the average person, investing in the S&P 500, starting that compound interest is going to be the way for wealth. And right now, during these sell-off opportunities, this represents a great time to start that investing. Invest $10 a week, invest $20 a month, invest $5 a month, $1 a year, but you just have to start. And that's where a lot of people get worried. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm going to invest. Is this thing going to happen? Yes. You will make money as long as you have a long-term outlook, right? Over the past 90 years, through all the ups and all the downs of the markets, the bull and bear markets, if you invest and not even look at it, you have an annual return of 10%. Okay? So you have to understand that all the recessions, they eventually end. And a lot of people get kind of stuck into this situation right in here where we just see a lot of volatility and they get shaken out of stocks. They get shaken out of investing. But for me, guys, you have to look at it as an opportunity. And yes, we will probably continue to see more volatility for the next couple of months, maybe even a year, but you have to start investing. Use the sell-offs to your advantage, right? Try to get the lowest price you can. And some great ETFs that I would recommend investing in are SPY, ticker symbol SPY. This is an awesome one here. You guys can see it's under $400. The next one here is VU. This one here is backed by Vanguard, a world-class ETFs. And this one here is great. Has very, very low expense ratios. You guys get dividends and all the full 9 yards here, guys. So this is a great way to invest. And yes, you guys should buy stocks. So guys, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.